Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. How are you? Happy Sunday. Today is 1000 daily how to make money with Facebook groups. Okay. A lot of people think Facebook it's frustrating and they shut you out and stuff like that. They do. I don't recommend all your traffic come from Facebook, but there is ways to make money, really good money in some of these Facebook groups, because some of these Facebook groups are like $200,000 and $300,000, 200 and 300,000 people. So stick around to the end because I got something really special for you. But I'm going to dive into this. It's really simple. It's going to take us 10 minutes. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process. So just pay attention, stay to the end. Make sure you hit the subscription button and the notification so you're notified when I make a video, because I'm usually bringing I'm bringing the best stuff that's going to help you. Instead of going out and trying a bunch of crap that won't work, come here, figure out what does work. And the thing is, you got to be persistent. There's no lottery tickets in this thing, right? If you want to make money online, you got to be persistent. You got to be daily. You know, one of the groups I'm in, we talk about it all the time. The leaders are in there going, come on, do it. And there's people just in there and they're just like, oh, I need this training and I need this and I can't do this and I can't do that. And we're like, no, you need to just do it. You got to stop making excuses. You need to just go forward and do it, right? I'm going to put a quote below. It's like, I'm broke. The two words people use as either motivation or as an excuse, right? Those are the two words people use. So if you're using I'm broke as an excuse, figure it out. You got to figure it out. Like, there's ways to get free traffic and people are like, oh, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Well, go to the group, whatever program you're in that you're promoting, go to the group and say, hey, what are you guys posting on social media that I can post, right? Go to your upline, say, what are you posting on social media that I can post? Because I need to use that stuff. Give me what I need to post. All right, so how are we going to do this? What is the philosophy behind this? Let me just show you my screen here quickly just so you guys can see something. So this is today, real time, right? This is like a couple of things I was just showing off in the group. So these are my sales and leads for the day. It's July 26th. Today is July 26th. We're doing this. So see, these two signups came from Facebook groups. This one came from YouTube comments. So below here is going to be a link. When you click that link to join me, you would be part of this statistic if you come in as a lead or whatever. This is from a solo ad that's running in the background. This is from some more paid traffic. This is my default one. This is what I'm using on my blog. And this is what I'm using on Twitter. So look at that, guys. Twitter, free. Blog, free. Paid. So 4 of them are paid. YouTube, free. Facebook's free. Guys, you can make money using free traffic. You just have to be consistent. You have to know what to post. So I'm going to show you one of my posts that I did that's very similar to basically, let's see, I'll find one I got comments on. Yeah, this one, 36 comments, guys. 36 comments, right? So this is what it says. Want to see how my team and I are crushing it with this system. Multiple income streams tucked away nice and neatly, all within one viral system. So easy, a 6-year-old can do it. Now, if you look at the post itself, guys, you know what's catchy about it? It's got circles, it's got an image, it's got arrows, it's got like some compensation. Guys, this isn't even my image. I'm using one of my team members' images because they just put it together. I'm like, I'm just gonna use his, right? I'm actually on this board right here. I'm like number 5, right below what he cut off there, which is kind of funny. Anyways, and he did a perfect post, so I just basically used it. Leads being generated for you, sales created by others for you, a list being created for you by others, traffic source that pays you, a system that pays you even when people don't buy things. That's what this click cash thing is, and multiple streams of income. Then you have an almost perfect program. So this is an idea of a post, and you could take whatever your program is and do that. Or what I recommend is really checking out our program. So I want to get into the philosophy behind like why you'd want to not just send them to your main opportunity. Guys, that post is not for my main opportunity. That's to get people onto my list, because I want people on my list. Because right now there's a huge ClickBank program that's being launched that's paying massive commissions. So I'm marketing that to my list, to people that signed up here. I'm going to be marketing. There's another really good PLR, which is a private label rights program that I'm marketing to people. I'm also marketing 2 other high ticket programs to these people, right? Don't be afraid to market your program, multiple programs to your list, right? But be specific. If Be specific to your list that you are generating a generic list that you're going to be sending them multiple types of offers. So if you have someone coming into your weight loss list, don't start promoting make money online stuff to them. It's not congruent, right? They're like, no, I'm on this list to lose weight. So instead of thinking that way, instead of thinking of a list only for people to lose weight, unless you're really focused and you're really streaming on that, create a more of a generic list of people that want to make money online with a business, because almost all of our affiliate businesses, network marketing business, we rely on people that want to create a business out of it, right? So you want to focus on people that are basically looking for businesses. So if you put those people on your list, you may send them your weight loss program, right, as a business opportunity, not necessarily weight loss. They might go, oh yeah, I need to lose a few pounds and I'm looking for a weight loss business. You can also send them other opportunities. That's why building a more generic list is so valuable. And you can market multiple things to them. Something comes along, you're able to market to them. I have old lists that are just like I have like woodworking list from ClickBank, and I have like a parents reading list for stuff. I've got how to restore battery list. Those lists are really useless because they're so specific. It's really hard for me to transfer them into something else. Like the woodworkers, I could probably transfer into more do-it-yourself stuff, but I'm not really excited about that stuff. I'm really excited about make money online, e-commerce, right? This is where the big money is, building long-term residual income with subscription-based software as a service business. But you can use it for anything. So I also can promote a weight loss product as a business to my list, right? Like, hey, are you looking for a business that everyone's looking for? Check out this weight loss business. People are looking for this, right? So this is why I'm saying you want to check out what we're doing in how we build this list. Now, what's the other cool thing about this viral list building? And I've been in tons of viral list builders, guys. I've been in the traffic exchange. I've been in the viral mailer circuit for a few years. I know that there's always people coming up with a viral list builder. They don't work. What happens is someone comes in, because it's like sort of a force matrix things. And guys, if you're doing a force matrix, they fall apart, just so you know. So what happens is you get some leads at the beginning, and then slowly it just drops out because there's not enough incentive, and it's basically gets too saturated. So what you want to find is something that is a passive system, and I love passive systems, including like the network marketing company I was just promoting for a few years. Well, I still do. It's just they've changed the products, and I'm not as excited about the products, but I still promote it. But anyway, that's another story. But it has a passive system, and I love that kind of commission. I also did another training program that has a passive system, and I love those systems, and that's why I love this system particular. So how do you make money on Facebook groups? Well, you have to be consistent. You can't post the same thing over and over and over again. Don't get an auto poster. Go find 5 or 10 groups that have a lot of people in them. And I can if message me, and I can send you some of the groups that I'm in, or invite you to some of the groups I'm in. And you're just going to focus on those 5 to 10 because you want to be someone that's consistent in that group. And excuse me. And basically, what you want to do is you want to be posting always, probably once in the morning, once in the middle of the day, and once in the evening. But don't take a long time to do it, guys. Just find something like I did, get an image, and post into 5 or 10 groups, and that's it. Leave it, right? Because if you start doing more than that, Facebook's going to say, no, you're spamming the groups and you're using the same stuff all the time, spamming the groups. Now, one thing, here's the big tip that I wanted you to stick around for. So some of these groups, you're going to get spam in. Let me see if I can find right here. This is a good one. So see on my post here, I've got this post here, and one of the comments is this guy. I'm not offering millions of dollars. So some of the groups have these like crazy amount of spam, and they just spam your post, no matter what you do, right? And it'll all be like pointing to some Telegram account. It's like some crypto. I don't know if it's a bot. I'm not sure if it's a bot. So there's another one, right? Join chat on Telegram. My life. So these people are spamming my thing. So what I do, and this is brilliant because I've just gotten a couple signups today from it. I go on to their thing and I say to them, hey, this is Ararachi or whatever, Mary. That's the wrong link you're sending. You were supposed to use this one now. And I put my link. So same with this one. Oops, you put the wrong link. And I don't say the exact same thing. But oops, you put the wrong link. It has been changed to this, right? Let's see if there's another one. Deal up. That is the old link. You need to use the new one. So I'm just having fun, right? I'm just going on and I'm just like, Morris Kendrick, the correct link you need to use is this one. The other one goes to spam, right? So I'm just playing with the spammers, but you can see like on some of those comments. So what's cool, guys, though, and I know this sounds kind of backwards, but those spam comments actually help your offer because a lot of people see through them. So this person here, Aisha, she requested info from me, right? So I send her the info. She got spam, but look at what she said. Where is it? She says right here, Glen Murray, thanks. So the people that are in these groups looking for this opportunity, they know when they see spam. They know when they're getting spam. So they know who to look for, who's sending the correct thing. And you need to be wise that way too. So also, the other thing you need to do on those is you want to go to this little dot here, right? And you want to report to group admins, right? Because all these groups, I see I've already reported it, so it's probably disappeared. So all those the admin for all these groups will remove people that spam onto your post. But meantime, while they're spamming, it's actually adding to your algorithm for Facebook, and it makes you like a visual storyteller, which that means when you put your post up, way more people are going to see it than if you're just a novice. So it's kind of good. Those spam comments actually can help you. So anyways, that is how you start making money from Facebook groups. You want to be doing the same thing. You want to be posting on Twitter all the time. I have a Twitter training. I think I'll put it in the comments below. Anyways, if you want to see the viral lead system that we're doing, click the link below and you'll be taken to, you'll either be signed up under me or you may be passed up to Richard and John. It doesn't matter. We're all on the same team. It's just, that's the way it goes. And when you start promoting it, there will be the chance that that you will pass up. Well, you would pass up every 5th lead to me. That's okay, because I'm here to help you. I'm going to help you get way more leads and show you how you're going to get people that will pass up leads to you. The main thing is though, is just you have to do it. You have to do it daily. You have to be committed to it. And if you have you do need a little bit of budget for traffic, send some paid traffic to it. But if you don't have paid traffic, we can get you there. YouTube, make videos, you can just talk about the videos, go on my channel and look at the videos I do and just sort of copy my videos. Go into the group that we have, use the Facebook post daily. You just have to change them by a couple of words. You don't have to change them a ton. Just change up the words a little bit. Maybe get 5 or 6 posts, post them into the groups. Your YouTube videos, once you make them, you post those into the groups, right? You're always posting. I'm always posting my YouTube videos into the groups. I'm posting my posts into the groups every day. Every day I do it, like 2-3 times a day, depending on my time, really. It only takes minutes. Like literally, I can sit down and I can pound out like in 5 minutes. I can do it on my phone if I want to. I just download the photo onto my phone, boom, 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 and put it up there. And that's it, guys. And you just do it over and over and over. And you may not see anything for the first little while, but that's okay. You have to keep doing it. Have to keep doing it. Believe in the system. Keep doing it. And as you keep doing it, make sure you're posting your life on your regular Facebook post. Don't just make that a spammy billboard. On your regular Facebook profile, just have your life. Click a picture of the food you're eating. Go for a walk with your kids. Take a picture of your kids. Just like, hey, out whatever. If you're riding your bike, like going for a bike ride, just do daily activities. Like you see a nice flower, a tree, anything that you see, a waterfall. like, just take a picture of it. People love it. People love that stuff. They want to connect. They want to see that you're just a real person doing real stuff out there. You know, you're not behind your computer 24/7. You're out there and you're living life and you're doing all this stuff. So if you look at my wall, go to my wall on Facebook, you will see that, like, it's just basically, it's me. It's lots of my kids. Like, there's a picture of us. We went scooter riding this morning. You know, hey, scooter chaos, and that's all. I just took a picture of my wife and my 3 girls on their scooters. That's just showing life, right? It's Facebook. I'm just sharing a little bit of my life with people. And in the Facebook groups, so this makes me a real person. In the Facebook groups, if people want to go check out my profile, I'd like, wow, this is a real person. It's not just some, you know, spam person that's all advertising. No, it's actually a real person that has a life, and they do this for a living. That's what I have for you. Click the link below. Make sure you subscribe. This is how you make money with Facebook groups. This is how you can make $1,000 a day with Facebook groups. You can make $500. You can make actually endless money in these Facebook groups, depending on the program. I recommend the program below is your #1 program. I've got some other links to my other programs that once I have leads, I promote to them. All right. That's what I have for you guys. Cheers. Have a great day.